Okay, so we are back at the end of row 4. So this one is going to be 2 double crochet in the same stitch, then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, same stitch, and of course don't let this space deceive you. The space, just slip stitch. These are chain 2. This is the top of our first double crochet. These are double crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. So you can see this is a flat head. It's not curving anywhere. So it is a regular circle, a very good one. So now, if you look at some things here, I want you to take note of something. If you look at this is our first row here, we have double crochet all around. After chain 2, we did 12 double crochet inside, working from the middle and working on our tail, so that we'll be able to pull through. I'll be able to pull it so that we have this space closed. Now the second stage is 2 double crochet in each stitch. Then going to row 3. Row 3 is 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Then row 4 is 2 double crochet, 1 1 2, 1 1 2. So we can always guess what the next one is going to be. It's going to be 2 1 1 1, 2 1 1 1. Just go on and like that till you get to your desired flat head. So in our next class, I'm going to teach you how you're going to do the measurement of the head, so that you know where to stop before you start doing what will make your beanie to start falling down. So this basically is called the flat head. So there's a way to know where to stop the flat head. Maybe you are still going to continue 2 1 1 1 1, up to that level. It depends on the size of your head. Though we have a standard size, but there can still be a way by which you can actually do your own calculation. So I hope you enjoyed it, you like it. And there's another thing I want you to notice. If you notice, all are they're inside one another. All are 2 chains in the same, 2 double crochet. You can see this is 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So you can see it's forming something like this, like a V, like this. If you look at it, this one is 1, this one's 1 2, this one is 1. Okay, this one is, look at this one is 1, and this one is 2. Of course, you have 1 2 3, the next one. So I hope you enjoy this, and you should practice it and make sure you do your own. God bless you.